Hello, in this video we will see how a clinician installs and logs in the dashboard, how he can upload the patient's EHR, how he can record the patient's contact details locally, how he can monitor them at a cohort level, and how to check their PROMs records. First, install the LifeChamps Dashboard application by following the instructions. The installation is complete. Launch the LifeChamps dashboard. Next, provide the user credentials, user and password. The LifeChamps dashboard home view is where the three main functionalities can be accessed, through the corresponding buttons. The dashboard allows to upload a file with the electronic health records of a patient, to the LifeChamps platform. The EHR file has been correctly uploaded. The mapping between the patient's contact details and the LifeChamps identifiers are stored locally in an Excel file. This Excel file is protected with a password. To add a recruited patient's contact details, the user accesses the mapping Excel file and adds the corresponding information. LifeChamps identifiers are unique within the platform, and follow the same structure, L, C, X, X, at lifechamps.com. Now, the information is stored locally, and the clinician is the only person that could map between LifeChamps identifier and the patient contact details. In the dashboard home view, select the cohort-level monitoring to analyze the evolution of the patient's disease as a process, with a process indicator. Now, we can check the list of available process indicator in the LifeChamps server to download. Downloading the information for the patient activity at home process. Using the data from the home sensors, the tool represents the activity at home, showing transitions among the different rooms, and the time spent in each room. We can check some statistical information about the activity and transitions. The color of nodes represent different customizable variables such as length of stay, duration, or the number of patients that reach a node or an edge. This supports clinicians in the understanding of the medical process dynamism. The tool can represent and compare populations of different cohorts by simply filtering the totally customizable variables available in the menu, such as gender, frailty, index, age, or the season. In this case, we are comparing severe frailty with mild frail patients, and how they have different processes for the activity at home. The descriptive module allows to show graphically the population characteristics based on usual specific charts, columns, pies, tables. The statistics and charts are particularized for each cohort. The Patient Information feature supports a fully navigable experience, accessing the flow of individuals simply by clicking on the activities or the transitions. This is of special interest to discover usual flows of patients or to discover the behavior of adverse effects. After logging in the LifeChamps dashboard, the healthcare professional selects the patient-level view. The healthcare professional sees the list of patients registered in the LifeChamps pilot site. These patients can be identified by their patient ID in the LifeChamps project. The healthcare professional wants to see the reported outcomes of patient LCG 998 at lifechamps.com and clicks on that row. The system loads a view where the reported patient symptoms can be seen in a clear way. These symptoms were reported by the patient from the LifeChamps mobile app.